Welcome friends. Omoi, Kasaneru kanji, Onyomi, Ju, Cho. In this kanji too, there are horizontal strokes piled up, and this kanji means pile up, Kasaneru, or heavy, Omoi. We have already seen Chikara kanji, which means power. Omoi kanji, radical, with Chikara radical gives the kanji Ugoku. Ugoku means move. Onyomi do. To this move kanji radical, if we add man radical, it becomes Hataraku kanji. Hataraku means to work. Onyomi do again. Chikara radical with men radical, which means permit, gives putting on as much power as body can possibly permit. That is exert. Its kunyomi is tsutomeru, onyomi is ben. Go kanji, onyomi au, suit, fit, join. Like for every house, there is a door that fits it. We have already seen the beginning kanji, moto. Its onyomi is gen or gone. Having an opening, that is source, origin. With the same opening radical comes another kanji, ani, elder brother. Onyomi kei or kyo. The opening sun, that is the first sun. Hikari. From source comes rays of light. This kanji means light or ray. Onyomi ko. Ku or o or ko. This kanji doesn't have kunyomi. It means district, ward, section, having a cut piece of land. Next is having an arrow. Maybe it means having the exact solution. This kanji means doctor or medicine. Onyomi e and kunyomi iyasu or isuru or kusushi. This kanji is fuyu, winter. We have seen mata kanji, which means again. The cut on this side means passing. Two dots in the bottom means less movement, that is freezing. So, the freezing season that comes and goes again and again, that is winter. Onyomi to. This is mukashi kanji, which means old. Man taking a used old thing, that means borrowing. Kariru. Onyomi shaku. Kiru. Cut kanji. We have already seen that both the radicals in this kanji mean cut. Small hole cut and katana, that is sword radical. So this kanji means cut. Onyomi sen or sai. Betsu. In this kanji we have the sword radical and a half cut man otoko kanji radical. So this kanji means taken apart, different. Onyomi betsu. Kunyomi wakareru or wakeru. Saru. This kanji has two radicals. One soul radical, which we have already seen, and another mud radical. Soul buried under the mud, that is gone. This kanji means go. Onyomi kyo or ko. Dai, sole on top of door. Here, door is acting as a platform on which things are kept, so it means stand or rack or table. Now let us see if you remember all the kanjis taught just now.